Hey, what's up everyone? It's your boy Yashvi Gaming, and well, if you're new to my channel guys, I would like you to kill murder and smash the subscribe button right about now. Okay, so in this tutorial guys, you will learn how to I'm gonna show you how you can when you upload a brand new video, how to share the video automatically, okay, onto your Discord server. Okay, so suppose this is your Discord server. Okay, so let's say you have created your Discord server, and here you want some tweets. Okay, some if you like, if you're on Twitter, actually if you're on Twitter, you can also do this for Twitter. So every time you post anything on Twitter, or anytime someone posts anything, it's gonna automatically send the data, okay, the text, the images, links, okay, into your Discord server. So the same thing it's gonna be for YouTube. Okay, so as you can see, I have made a YouTube here. So in the permission, this is my permission for everyone. Okay, as you can see, they will be able to create invites, they will not be able to manage everything, but you're gonna only allow these three. Okay, the three settings: read message history, and then read messages, and then create invite. Okay, and everything else just turn it off. Okay, so once you've done that, okay, so basically, well, anytime you upload a brand new video, it's gonna pop up here. Okay, so your member, as you can see, yeah, so this one is all right. This is a chat area, so where every people can chat. All right, so yeah, so let's do that. So you have to register an account here. Okay, so next, after you have registered, all you gotta do is to click create. Okay, just click that create button, and here you will be brought to this, and here it says if this. So you're gonna click on the black, okay, if. Okay, so you're gonna click on the if, and here you're gonna search for, so you wanna search for YouTube. Okay, so we want the YouTube video to be sent to the Discord server. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna select YouTube, and here we're gonna select, here we have a bunch of options which are new. Like the video, all the videos that you liked, it's gonna be uploaded, it's gonna be sent to this YouTube Discord channel server. Okay, all right, so I don't want the new like, I want new public video uploaded by you. Okay, that is uploaded by me. All right, so here, as you can, let's view what else they provide. New channel memberships, so every time somebody subscribe to you, it's gonna send a notification. Super chat message, new super sticker, new public video from subscription. Nope, I'm gonna select this, and I'm gonna click connect. Okay, okay, so you'd like to connect. Okay, all right, and here all you gotta do is to click allow. Okay, just accept this, click allow, and as you can see, now we have YouTube has we have allowed YouTube, and then we're gonna click on then that. Okay, if new public video uploaded by you, then click this, and we're gonna select for we're gonna search Discord. Okay, so as you can see guys, when we type Discord, we don't have Discord here, so you're gonna write webhooks. Okay, you're gonna write webhooks. All right, so just write web, and you should be able to see all those. As you can see, if you write it for webhooks, so we're gonna select this. And here, as you can see, make a web request. The action will be make a request to publicly accessible URL. Okay, all right, so here you're gonna paste the URL. So you're gonna go to your Discord server. Okay, so Mine is YouTube, so I'm gonna edit that. I'm gonna click on integration, and then I'm gonna create a brand new bot. Okay, so I'm gonna call this as media. Okay, and well, if you would like to add if you would like to change the avatar, if you would like to add a profile picture for this bot, you can do it. So I'm gonna just stick with any random one, and after that, all you got, and make sure that it is previewing on that channel. So if you want it to appear, if you want the video to pop up in welcome, so you're gonna select welcome, but I would like to preview those videos in YouTube. Okay, so next I'm gonna copy the webhook URL, and then I'm gonna click save changes. Okay, and I'm gonna go back to IFTTT, and I'm gonna paste the URLs here, and here for the method you wanna select post. Okay, and for the content type, okay guys, you wanna select this one, application / JSON. Okay, and for the body you're gonna add ingredient. Okay, and you're gonna add the video title, of course, the video title, and then the video description. Nope, I don't want video description. Video title, and then the URL, which is the video title and the video URL. And if you'd like to add the author name, embed code, etc. Okay, so I'm just gonna stick with the body of the video title. Okay, the title of the video, and then the URL of the video, so users will be able to click, and they will be redirect to that specific video. Okay, so once you've done, guys, so as you can see, we've pasted the Disco webhook API webhook link, and we have selected the method as post, and for the content type we're gonna use application / JSON. Okay, do not use this one. Okay, this one is it will not send. Okay, select the right one, which is application / JSON. Okay, then all you gotta do is to click create action. Okay, and then click continue. And now, guys, as you can see, here it has been created, and if you'd like to receive notification when this applet runs, so you're gonna click this, turn on, and then just click finish. Alright, so well, basically that's it, guys. As you can see here, it says connected. Okay, here it says connected, and now if you upload any videos onto your channel, it's gonna automatically send the video to this YouTube webhook to this YouTube server here. Okay, to this YouTube channel server. Alright, so let me let me show you an example, guys. So let me find a video testing video. Okay, so basically I'm gonna upload an intro. Okay, outro, intros. Okay, so I'm gonna upload this intro. Okay, it's a short video. Okay, so I'm just gonna, as you can see, I'm gonna give this title as testing YouTube, no, testing Disco webhooks. Alright, so next I'm just gonna give the same thing here, tutorial. Alright, and then once I'm ready, all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click this, I select next, and then I'm gonna publish. Okay, and as you can see, the video has been published, and now after a few seconds, guys, you will notice that the video will be sent to this channel. Okay, so if it does not arrive, all you gotta do is to just wait for it, or you may refresh this whole page. Okay, and you should be able to see the video should be uploaded. It should be sent to that channel. Alright guys, so I was waiting. Okay, I waited around 15 minutes and nothing came. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what you need to add to fix this. Okay, so basically you have to add something like this. Okay, this is the title. Okay, this will be the title, and then this is a URL. Okay, so basically you have to add in this format into the body. You'll have to add this in body. Okay, you have to add this, and here just write something as, hey there, check out new video. Okay, and then just copy this. You wanna go back to this to your services, and you wanna click the settings, and next you're gonna modify that. As you can see, post here, just erase everything and paste here. Okay, as you can see, content, hey there, check out new video. Okay, and then URL, and hit saved. Okay, now hit save changes, and now guys, just try to upload another video. Okay, so I'm gonna upload the same video one more time. Okay, and I'm just gonna hit next. Okay, I'll probably delete that video later, and I'm gonna click publish. Okay, it is processing the video, and let's wait. Okay, as you can see, 95% processed. Alright, so as soon as this process, it's gonna upload it. Okay, now let's wait a few seconds here. Okay, the video should be arrived. It should send the video. So you can test it if it has arrived. Here you can click view activity, and as you can see here, if new video uploaded, then make web requests. Okay, so before, the applet was failing. Okay, as you can see, it was unable to make requests. Server returned a 400. So now, as you can see, guys, boom, as you can see how cool this is, guys, and as you can see, it works. Okay, here the media bot, hey there, check out new video, and then this is the title, and here's a link. Okay, and it's gonna share it. Okay, so as you can see, users will be able to click that, and they will be redirected to the YouTube. Okay, so yeah guys, thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, definitely give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to smash up the like button on this video, and also ring that bell notification, guys. It's really important that you ring that bell notification. Alright, it's your boy Yashvia Gaming, and I'm signing out. Peace.